How to create a Perplexity AI account. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Perplexity Ask Anything. Tap Install, then wait for the app to finish downloading. Next, open the Perplexity app. You'll see the welcome screen. Tap Continue or Get Started to begin. Now, choose how you want to sign up. You can continue with your Google account, Apple account if available, or use your email address, depending on the sign-up options shown in the app. If you choose Google, simply select your Google account and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in process. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to the Perplexity home screen. From here, you can start asking questions, search the web with AI, upload files if supported, and explore the app's features. That's it. You've successfully created a Perplexity AI account on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, Android tips, and easy tech guides.